Yeah!
It's time.
PR! Yeah! PR!
Okay, so
Oh my god.
Oh,
He hit over there by 15?
15, oh my god.
What the heck? Did you see that?
King, you got this?
What did he do?
Like, Alan,
What happened?
you got it?
he like just stopped.
Really? That guy? You can do that. You can
I
just
got
quit.
the paper.
Wait, did he do it on purpose or did he get like knocked off the track?
You almost did. No. Was it
I
you?
almost got knocked off the track too.
I forgot. If you get knocked off the track, are you disqualified?
Yeah.
The guy that I was racing, he stepped out of the track. No one saw it.
I like step on the line every now.
No, there was like 3 people that stepped on the freaking grass. I was like, what the heck? Oh my god, look at that.
What are they at, Jordan? Did you start it like right when they started?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there.
Hey. Oh god, yeah.
This is what we hit our first lap. Move up! Come on, Phil!
My first lap was faster.
Slow down the second lap.
Anthony's moving up too.
We're speeding up a lot.
Oh my god.
Where's Canyon? He's right there.
He'll draft it.
They're trying to like do what they did last week, or they kicked it in the last 2 laps. We're gonna see a last fast 2 laps.
When we were running, I was confused if I was in the third or like second lap. I was like, which one am I?
I don't like running out front. I like running behind someone.
Yeah, because then like, everybody can see if you like start slowing down.
What are those trophies on?
Fastest guys. Top 3.
What are those?
Seated.
Yeah, Phil has a killer like kick though. Can keep it close. They're gonna start going soon though. Yeah.
I feel like they're going slow.
Yeah, they are for them. Anthony's like right off.
Well, at least Phil isn't last.
Phil was falling off though. He's gotta get up there.
Phil?
Yeah, look at him. They're starting to gap him.
No.
He's like, oh crap, I'm behind.
Here we go. Phil's gotta go, dude. Alright.
That was actually good.
Phil isn't a mile runner. He's just walk off the track right now. Kane is so ahead.
Oh man, they're kicking him hard now.
That's fast. 45 seconds from the last lap.
Jesus, oh my god.
They should be able to go like really negative. Dude, I bet Kanan is gonna go like close to 60 seconds on this. Oh my god. Come on, Kanan!
What?
Kanan! Come on, boys! Move with them! Come on, Anthony, come on!
Come on, Anthony, beat that guy! Beat that one guy!
Oh man, dude.
Where's Phil? There he is. Phil is like waving to you.
Oh, there's that one. See, I could have been up with that one guy. At least. I know I could have.
Oh my lord.
Oh, come on, they're gonna get in my way here.
They're in the 4x1.
Where's Phil?
Okay, wait.
Yeah. Oh, Kira.
428.
Look here, move your finger.
I said 428. Come on. Come on, I want to win the game.
No, it's not. Yeah, he's not gonna do that.
Give me a 430 something.
4:30 something. It's pretty slow time for him, but. Come on, Kanan! Oh my god. Come on, Bryce! Oh my god, Mitch. 4:39 for that guy. Mitch Arnold. Come on, Matt! Oh. 4:47. Oh, Phil, I told you.
Phil beat Anthony?
4:53, 4:54.
Huh? No, he still beat us.
Whoever